Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ACEMAGIC X1 dual screen business laptop. So friend, ACEMAGIC has announced the ACEMAGIC X1 and this comes with Intel Core i7 12th generation 1255U processor. Power this innovative device with featuring a dual 14-inch Full HD displays and the ACEMAGIC X1 boasts a unique 360-degree horizontal folding dual screen design, allowing user unparalleled flexibility in adjusting the display to meet their needs. And whether for video conferencing, data analysis, or multitasking, and this innovative dual screen configuration dramatically enhance collaboration efficiency and user comfort and adding to a distinct appeal. Ace Magic has engraved Steve Jobs' iconic quote, "Stay hungry, stay foolish," in real gold on left side on the keyboard, and this touch symbolizes the device the premium quality and innovative spirit more than just a laptop. And the Ace Magic X1 is an efficient mobile workstation that redefine the concept of dual screen notebook and sets new standard for the future of mobile business operations. As technology advances, the AceMagic X1 is positioned to below in indispensable tool for business professionals. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.